In this quick video, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin as a beginner on Coinbase. If you haven't bought any Bitcoin before and you're completely new to Bitcoin, this video will share everything you need to know about buying your first bit of Bitcoin, and at the end of it, you should be able to buy some Bitcoin relatively easily. So if you've not made your account on Coinbase yet, I highly recommend you go and click on the link in the description, and it's going to allow you to earn some free Bitcoin. So if you go to the link in the description and you sign up for Coinbase using my link, if you buy $100 worth of Bitcoin, you're going to get $10 free. I'll also receive a free $10 as well for referring you to Coinbase. Mine's in pounds, but it's the same thing. If you buy more than £75 worth of Bitcoin, we will both receive £7.50. So click on the link and then go and sign up for an account. I'm not going to walk you through that because it's very simple stuff. It's just personal information. It's like any sign up form on any website. So I'm going to sign into my account and then I'll meet you inside. Okay, so once you're in Coinbase for the first time, your account will look something similar to mine. They make it really easy for you to understand, but I'll go over what you need to know. So here you might have a blue box with steps that you need to complete so you can first buy your first bit of Bitcoin. Now to buy Bitcoin, you're going to need to verify your Coinbase account, which includes verifying your phone number, verifying your email, and also uploading some sort of ID. So you can click on this green button, it should say verify if you haven't verified already, and you can go and verify your phone number, your email, and you can go and upload a picture of your ID. I uploaded a picture of my driving license through my phone, and they make it very easy for you to do it, and it gets approved pretty much instantly. Once you've done that, you can then go and add a payment method. So I'm going to click that and I'm going to add my credit or debit card. You can also use bank account to buy as well, but for this video I'll use debit card. So I'm going to enter in my card details now, and then I'll be back once I've done that. Okay, so now I've added my card to my Coinbase account. We can now go and buy some crypto. We can do this by clicking on the buy crypto button here, or if you don't see this tab in your Coinbase account, you can just click on trade and it will open up the buy window. So to buy Bitcoin, all we need to do is enter in here the amount of money you want to spend on crypto. So I'm just going to spend for the video £10. Now it's important to note, this is how much money is going to leave your bank account. It's not how much money you're going to get in crypto, if that makes sense. So you're going to see in a minute, there's going to be a Coinbase fee. So £10 isn't the amount of crypto we're going to get. £10 is the amount that's going to leave our bank account. So we're buying Bitcoin and you can see that we're paying from this bank account, and we can then click preview buy. It's then going to tell us the exact amount of Bitcoin we're going to receive here. It's going to tell us what bank account we're paying with or what Visa card. It's going to tell us the price of Bitcoin, how much we're going to get from that purchase, and it's also going to tell us a Coinbase fee. So the purchase is how much we're going to get in Bitcoin roughly, and then the Coinbase fee is obviously just a fee, and add them together and it equals our total amount, which is £10. We can then click buy now, and buying through credit card or debit card is completely instant. You can buy through bank account with less fees, but it's going to take you 3 to 5 working days. So it's just going to go through the process of authorizing my card here. And there we go, my payment has now been processed, and you can see your purchase was successful. So now if we go back to Coinbase, we should see that our portfolio balance has gone up here. So let me just go to portfolio, and I'm just going to refresh it. And you can see our portfolio balance is £8.96. And here if we scroll down, you can see we've got £8.96 worth of Bitcoin. So that's how you do it. If you want to learn how to transfer this money to another account, watch this video here, and I'll see you all in the next one.